All right, YouTube, we're back. We got another video. Today we're going to be going over some of the price action that some of the people in the chat and in the group have been saying. We've got all these people here. So maybe we'll get some of them to talk. Maybe we won't. This is Daniel from Chart Champions. He's a good trader, terrible person. Anyways, so what we're looking at here is what I was looking at basically was this situation right here. So we have this trend line here, and the reason why I don't really necessarily like trend lines is because these things can always kind of be adjusted. Like you can see here, I'm cutting into some of the wicks here, cutting into it here, perfectly lines up here. Maybe this could be considered a little bit of a deviation, but one of the things I did take a long from this low. So I have a thing where I basically mark out all the significant 1 minute lows, and so we had one here showing up, right? And so what I was waiting for, and I do have the screenshot really quickly, so we have this, right? So this is my sniper entry that literally I just got a couple of minutes ago here. It's only $14 from the low. Ocean, what did you say yours is? Like $10 or $20 from the low or something like that? So oh, here's a short that she had.
Yeah, this is a short from like literally, I think like $30 away from the top, I guess, like $28.
Yeah.
Away.
So we are in here. This is what we were talking about just now. It's like we're in here live trading. So if you guys can't, and this is almost like a 24 hours a day thing, because this person right here, Max, and this person right here, Ocean, they don't know how to sleep. So yeah, we were, and so I was just looking for this swing failure of these lows because we had a little bit of a gap here, got in my entry, and then I ended up taking profit on that trade just now. And so what led us to come all the way down? Well, let's see here. Lately, this has been a massive, massive, massive game of swing failure pattern after swing failure pattern after swing failure pattern after swing failure pattern. And basically, let's just look at the past couple of days here, right? Let's look at this. So you have this high right here, got a tiny swing failure pattern, and then look what happens. We come all the way back down, and then here we took these lows right here, we came all the way back up, then look at what happens. Just really looking at this quickly. From here to here, you have a swing failure pattern. From here to here, you have a swing failure. From here to here, you have a swing failure. From these little wicks right here, you have swing failure. From this high right here, you have a swing failure. I think you get the point. Here, swing failure. I think you guys took this trade right here. Or no, wait, this is at 2 in the morning. Maybe some people did. But the main one that was happening was Ocean has been kind enough to let us know that usually during the daily open or Asian session, you normally have these dumps recently, but there's two factors to that. One is it's the daily open, so there's usually volatility, and number two is that we are in a downtrend. So just time after time and time again. So daily open is 5 o'clock on mine right here, which happened right here. So then you had some volatility, some move to the upside. You took out these highs, then you took out these highs right here. This is on the 5-minute chart. Then you had the swing failure happening, and yeah, we started to come and crash our way to the downside after that. So I want to say a lot of simple trading. Max, who's going to be speaking later, has some ideas that he wants to go over. I think right here, how he's going to be going over the swing failure patterns. He has this strategy, the DP strategy, that has been netting a lot of profits for him recently as well. So he's going to go over that. But yeah, it's nothing too crazy recently. The main thing has just been like getting down here and scalp trading, and making sure that you're able to get in at like really key levels here. Because again, this right here was a swing failure pattern. You can just tell by the 15-minute chart right here. Here was a swing failure pattern. And if you don't know what a swing failure pattern is, I do have a course that I'm selling, so you guys can be a part of that. And also too, I was made aware of the fact that it's like once you come into the group, you're going to be put into the watcher section, and in order to move yourself up to the traders and charter section, where most of the charts are being posted, is that you have to start posting in the watcher section. Show that you're actually learning. It doesn't even have to be from my course. It could be from anywhere. I don't give a damn. You could even use the free playlist down below this video. But the main thing is, like, the only way you can get access to this is if you show that you're actually trading and actually learning. So there's no way you can pay your way into it like most of these people, most of these programs. So, where does that leave us right now? Well, if we just continue this trend of swing failure pattern up, swing failure pattern up, swing failure pattern up, swing failure pattern again, maybe up some more. Well, I mean, just simply, I guess. Oh man, let me get rid of this damn thing. Let's see. Yeah, 32,400-ish does look pretty sexy. I think that we were recently talking about the 1 minute highs and lows and stuff like that. Yeah, so that this whole little section is kind of where we were all kind of agreeing to look at. We do have section down here 31.6. We have another section 31,950, and then we have this section up above here 32,300-ish are some of the areas that we're kind of looking at. But most of the time we're assessing those areas and then taking the trades live depending upon what the price action shows, because if we look here, another reason to possibly have long this area down here when we swing failure these lows was the fact that you also had delta bar divergences. So you had price action is making higher lows, delta bars are making lower lows, and then you start to move up from there as well. So things are looking pretty interesting. Let's see here as well. You can also see, which is, I should have traded this, but I think I was gone by then. You also had massive amounts of delta bar divergences here for the highs of today for when I was awake. So yeah, you had that. Prices making lower highs, delta bars making higher highs, and then you start to come down. But anyways, I think I'm way over my time. Max, did you want to share anything?
Yep, I can go through the two trades that I or the two major trades that my strategy gave us since daily open.
Let's see. So I can see your screen. It's really, really blurry, so hopefully it ends up fixing itself, but we'll see what happens.
Oh shit. Oh wait, maybe I can put the frame rate down. My internet is shitty here at the moment.
Go ahead.
Okay, so our daily open was here, so I used the replay tool now. So I had my important line here at our swing low, and at this high I wanted to look for something, and I wanted that high because if we swing failure that one, we run into an order block, negative point of control, and stuff like that. And basically that was the three levels I was interested in. And when we go to the current price action, we see that we sniped into my short that I posted, and we took it live here. So it's like we had our SFP, took it, and from there on, basically, we went straight down.
Can we take a look at that really quick? That the post that you put up. Do you have that, or do you want me to look at it?
Might be a live SFP coming up.
Yeah, maybe. Whoops. Max, do you have that? Do you actually have that, or do you want me to pull that up? Your entry.
The entry, I have it here.
Yeah, you could show the people.
But it's
good.
Okay, so that was the sniper that I took. So that is a 1 minute chart. It's like basically the top. And if we go back to the chart, it's like when I use it, yeah, it is basically like, oh wait.
No, yeah, we can see it. It was
Yeah,
it was basically
it's
a
the
godlike.
top, basically. So
yeah.
Yeah, and I posted it in the wins also, like basically took profits at the lows here. and now it was like, okay, there was no long on the downside because that was not the SFP, that was just a dump and rejecting from our line where we wanted a short, but yeah, no SFP at that line. And at this point, we had basically no reason to enter a long, but I moved my line to here, and it was basically still no reason to enter, and I moved my line to there, and then it was time to enter. And from there on, it's like the long that I posted,
Fuck, is that a short
basically
that I
the
missed?
bottom here.
Oh, okay, yeah, so you got that as well. So you're
So
basically
basically, just
shorting the
two
top and
lines.
longing the lows.
Yeah, with just those lines. I mean, I used Confluence, and I knew that we have support area below us. I knew that we have resistance above here. So it's like in Confluence with just those SFPs of those highs and lows. It's like, yeah, taking candy from a baby.
And for people that don't understand, SFP is swing failure pattern, which again, like I said, I do go over all of that in this right here, swing failure pattern. So you can just message me on Discord and I'll give you access to that. It is a paid course though, but like I said, down below the video, I have links to the free stuff, free
The stop losses.
trading for
Oh, sorry.
beginners. So
Sorry to
yeah,
interrupt
so
you. But the stop losses that we use here for this strategy are like $5 and like $5 here for that here. So you can get a better stop loss.
yeah, so yeah, we're coming up on 11 minutes. If anybody else in the chat wants to jump in, you guys can say a couple of words, but other than that, I don't really have anything next to say. We kind of went over some of the levels that we're looking to the upside. And if you guys want to be a part, like look at this right here. This right here, we came up to the point of control of the previous session to the absolute dollar, got that rejection to the absolute doll hair. Did you short that, Ocean? Is that what you were talking about earlier?
No, I didn't short it, but I
Yeah.
took profit.
Oh, shit, I wanted
Yeah,
wanted
man. I missed that
So,
shot.
this
Probably
is
look for a retrace now.
This is Ocean's live in the video. You guys can see 31162 took profit right here, 31695. So I mean that's basically like this, something like this. So yeah, I mean, doing really well. Good job to everybody here that's trading. And if you guys want to join us, got all the links and stuff like that down below. Sign up to bybit down here. That's where we're all trading. If you have any questions about signing up, you can click this right here. And if you do sign up to bybit, you also get access to my ideas, which some people have said that they're pretty good. I'm not gonna say that. I can't say that, even though I can say that. But yeah. Anyways, that's it. I'm done. Happy trading.